Bosques House by Garza Camisay Arquitectos in Monterrey, Mexico. Located in a residential subdivision south of the Monterrey metropolitan area, the project focuses on optimizing views and ensuring privacy on each level. The first two levels contain a private living area, while the third is an open space surrounded by panoramic mountain views. The choice of materials for Casa Bosques prioritized durability and low maintenance. The main structure is metallic, with concrete floors and apparent slabs, complemented by brick walls and fixed wooden furniture sourced from local industry.